Near St. James train station. Near St. James train station, next block to David Jones, Meyer Mall corner is Starbucks and another coffee shop 1 block away to Hyde Park, St. Mary's Church, free museum and bus stop to Bondi Beach. Bus number 333 2 to 3 streets away to Queen Victoria Building, Wool's Grocery and Restaurants. Friendly and accommodating staff at any time. Room keys are real keys, very classic room, spacious, with free coffee and tea and biscuits every morning. Bathroom is clean and vintage. Room aircon is on automatic mode, cannot adjust but temperature is okay. We visited during fall going winter. You can leave luggages at the lobby if you arrive early or you have a late flight. Meals available at hotel restaurant and affordable. TV is working well. International channels. Fridge is small but working. Bed is big and comfy. Room smells good even if old carpet and wallpaper. Bring your own international plugs for chargers with CCTV at hallways and lobby. Sure to come back when we had the chance. Great hotel. I booked it for my brother-in-law who said it was a great hotel, excellent location and value for money. Great location. Very clean, close to everything. Yes, the rooms are on the smaller side but you don't spend a lot of time in the room and there's still enough room for a little desk and mini bar. Lovely little ensuite and a wardrobe with a safe. Really nice staff. Wonderful building, still with the beautiful ceilings etc. Please don't renovate too much as it's beautiful interior that needs to be kept. Great value for money. Pleasant surprise. What a gem. Clean. Full of character. Exceptional. We loved the fact that our hotel was just a short walk from the theater we were in town for, and as this is our second stay at the hotel we were delighted to find the staff and the rooms did not disappoint. They were all just as good again. Exceptional. Located close to St. James's train station, it was very easy to get to from Sydney Domestic Terminal. The staff greeted us warmly. The room was large area and the windows opened allowing a beautiful breeze in. Very spacious bathroom. The building is amazing with its old world charm and ambience of an era long past. Highly recommended for its position in a great part of Sydney, very close to upmarket shopping, botanical gardens, coffee shops and plazas.